I've been thinking about this a lot recently and how to explain it so it can make sense and help you change your perspective. This is for the people that say, I crack my own neck all of the time, but it never stays loose. That right there is your nervous system trying to get your attention. These DIY pops are like opening a pressure valve for a second, but they don't change the thing that keeps turning the pressure back up. Mechanically, you're usually moving the joints that were already too mobile, while the stuck ones stay stuck. Neurologically, your brain is still sending a guard this area signal because of stress, posture, old injury, or all of the above. It's like wiggling a jammed door handle without ever fixing the crooked frame. And here, our goal isn't just chasing sound. It's to actually help somebody change their body's pattern so your nervous system stops feeling like it has to hold your neck hostage 24/7.